Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have another fun one. I cannot believe it, but this is the very first time I'm going to be trying out products from the RHODE line. So I'm super excited to share with you guys the items that I decided to pick up and share with you my first impressions, do a little bit of a try on as well. So if you want to check out everything I picked up from RHODE, definitely keep watching. If you are new here, thanks so much for checking this out. I am a full-time working mom. In my spare time, I love making videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, a little bit of luxury, and reselling as well. So if those kind of things sound interesting, definitely check out my other videos linked below, and please consider hitting that subscribe button. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back for another video. Okay guys, so this is definitely a long time coming. Obviously, RHODE is not new. I've been watching people do a lot of RHODE hauls and all the social media about this line by Hailey Bieber. And finally, now is the time that I've decided to try it out, largely because of some of the newer releases that I'm about to show you. I just really thought they would be fun to try out. So now is the time. I do have my shipment right here. It's not a huge box, as you can see, but I am so excited to bust into this and share with you guys what I picked up. Let me go ahead and just unbox it, but this is how it comes in case you're curious. And I'm going to just bust into this. Okay, so here is how the box comes. And there it is. The packaging is really nice. I love the light gray and white aesthetic. And of course, here is the little flyer that comes in there. She is so beautiful. I love seeing how she does skincare in her videos. So there you go. Here's how it comes packaged. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and pull some things out. All right, so the first thing I picked up is one of their staples in their skincare line, I think. So I decided to try out the RHODE Glazing Milk. So here is what the packaging looks like. I'm sure you've heard all about this product already, but I think it's supposed to be just kind of a base for your face, and it's supposed to provide a lot of hydration, which is definitely what I need, and provide a barrier. It says bathe your barrier. I decided to go for the larger size. There was a larger size and a smaller size, but the value was better on this larger size. So let's see how this looks. So it's a twist off cap. And then I think you're just supposed to dab a little bit out here. So let's see. Oh, there it goes. It comes out very easily. I don't know if you can see this, but it is like a milk. It's very thin and you just kind of pour it out, but it does go into the skin very nicely. It feels very hydrating. I would say it's really unscented. There's a slight like chemical scent, I will say. But overall, I think I would classify this as truly unscented. That does not bother me at all. But it is a very thin milk-like texture, if you can tell. So I am going to be using this at night after I cleanse my face as kind of a moisturizer. And see how it works. But people rave about this product, so I'm excited to go ahead and start using this tonight, and I will let you know in future videos what I think about it. All right, so next up, I had to try one of her now iconic, I will say, pocket blushes. So I decided to try the, let's see, I got Toasted Teddy. So it's Toasted Teddy, as you can see there, and this is a darker brown shade. So I have a lot of pinkish peaches, is that even a word? Pinkish peach-ish blushes. And I want to try something a little different. So this darker color, people have said a lot of good things about. You can use it as contour supposedly, and these supposedly should also blend out really nicely. So I thought I would be a little bold and go for a slightly darker color. This is so cute. I love the packaging. And let's see, I don't often use cream blushes, but I think as I'm aging now, I probably should try cream blushes more. Ooh, that's a little bit dark. So let's see here. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand, and then I'll try to put a little bit on too. that's really pretty. I would love this as a lip color, honestly. But look how pretty that shade is. Okay, so I'm gonna try this, and I just have a little mirror here to use. Okay, so right now I have no blush on because I knew I would be trying this on. So it goes on really pigmented, but it's nice how the mechanism does turn down like this and it just snaps on. All right, so here we go, Moment of Truth. Let me try to blend it out. So I don't know what you guys think, but I think it blends really, really nicely. This is obviously not a perfect job just because I'm doing this on the fly here, but yeah, I don't think it's too dark. I don't know what you guys think. I like how it's a little different than a lot of the other blushes that I already have. It has a nice little deeper pop of color, but it's very subtle and it does blend super nicely, I will say. So that part is definitely true. It blends really well. So, so far I'm excited about that. So I may try to go to the website and pick up a few more colors. Comment down below, what are your favorite pocket blush colors? I definitely want to try out more just based on first impressions. I mean, that color is so stunning. So super happy about that. That's really pretty. So I'm excited to use that more. And then I had to, of course, pick up some lip products. I mean, if anything, I want to say besides the blush, actually, and the glazing milk, I think RHODE is probably mostly known for the lip tints and peptide lip treatments. So I got 2 of them, but I definitely had to get the phone case. So if I'm being totally honest, the reason I decided to make this order was because of this case. When I saw that the new colors launched over the past handful of months, I had to go for it. I saw this when it first launched and I just thought, I don't know if that's for me. I really love my current iPhone case, which is this. I have an iPhone 15 Pro Max. And I love the MagSafe case. I got this on Amazon and I love how this pulls out because you can use it as a little kickstand. You can hold it as well. I have some of my old little Mickey pieces on here that I got from our recent cruise as well. But you know what? I think it's time for a change. I do love this case, so I'm gonna be saving it. It has little pink edges, as you can see. It's literally just from Amazon. The sad thing is though, with this new RHODE case, I know it doesn't have this MagSafe feature, so I do love charging my phone like this, especially when I'm on vacation. I have a MagSafe charger I take. So I'm gonna see, I may have to switch back to this, but I'm gonna take this off my phone for now because I wanna switch out into my new case and see how it fits. All right, so let me take off this current case. Here's the case. I decided to go for, let's see, what color is this? Toast. So she launched several new colors of the phone case that match some newer release colors, I think for the fall even, of her lip peptide treatments. So this is the case color that I thought would be pretty, but also relatively neutral. So let's see. All right. So here is what it looks like. It's really cute, I will say, on first impressions. Some of the feedback I know I've heard about is how bulky this is. So that's the part that I'm not sure I'm gonna love because I slip my phone everywhere in my pocket. I slip it in my coat pocket at work, in my jeans pocket. So, you know, I'm not sure if I'm gonna like the bulkiness, but it has a really nice silicone-y feel, but it's really comfortable. Here's what the inside looks like. So I think this is adorable. Love it. Let's see if this fits. I sure hope it does. Right. So, oh, that's really cute. I love it. So cute. So I am excited about this. Good. All the buttons definitely work as well through this. So yes, this is my RHODE phone case. It's a secure fit and it's really comfortable. It is pretty bulky though, as you will see. That part is true. So I don't know, I gotta test it out and see. If it's too bulky, I might have to go back to my slim case, but I'm definitely gonna try this out. All right, so the two lip tints that I went for, one of course is Toast to match my phone case, and that's what I will use probably not at first. I think I want to start off with a darker shade. I'm actually more excited about that. So the darker shade is called Espresso. So I got Toast and Espresso. I thought these are really beautiful colors. They're a little bit more unique for me at least, rather than the typical pinky glosses that I tend to go for. All right, so let me maybe try Toast first. So let's go ahead and open this up here. Again, this is the Peptide Lip Tint. I mean, this is so pretty. Love it. It's kind of small, to be honest. I'm not sure how long these will last, if I'm being totally honest. But I will see. It is very small tube, so I hope they last. Here's the first one, Toast. So that looks like it's gonna be really pretty. It's just a little bit of a wash of color. So that's really pretty. And then I think I may try the Espresso now, actually on my lips. So this has a lot of really good for you treatments. I know this color is gorgeous. So even though I have this phone case, I may swap in this Espresso at least first, because I think this is such a pretty color. All right, let me go ahead and get my mirror again and try to put it on. I have just a very nude lip color on. I think this is my Charlotte Tilbury. I wore Very Victoria today. So I'm just gonna pop this on over. All right, so what do you guys think? I think it's really pretty. It feels comfortable, it's not sticky. I could definitely put more on if I want more of a glossy effect, but on first impressions, it's really pretty. I love these shades. I don't think it's too dark. It's actually kind of nice, I think, for a little bit of a change of pace. So when I slip in the lip tint, I think you're just supposed to slip it in like this. Look at that. That's what it looks like when you mix and match the different shades. And then let me pop in the Toast color. And they slip in really nicely. I'll have to see what other lip glosses may fit in here. But that is really nice. It's a secure fit. We'll see. I hope it doesn't pop off with use, but I mean, that's super cute. I love it. So I'm going to use this as my new phone case, honestly. We will see how this goes. But that is so pretty. I love this Toast color. Highly recommend trying this out if you haven't already. All right. So I think there you have it. That was my first little RHODE haul. I didn't mention this earlier, but honestly, this is definitely no way sponsored. This is my true first impressions. But really, I am excited to try all these things out. I can't believe I waited so long to try them, so I really hope they work for me. And I'm excited to try new colors of the lip tints and definitely the pocket blushes. So comment below, what are your faves from this line? I definitely want to try more things out from it, but I'm not really sure where to go from here. So help me out, comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.